If you're struggling to speak English and to have conversations, you could have a partner to practice your English with. If I told you that you can practice your English speaking every single day and it's completely for free with the real people from different countries without paying anything, basically for free, right? No expensive lessons, no waiting to a teacher to have a conversation with, no exercises, just your phone in your pocket. That's it. And the right app is, of course, help you to sound more confident, more fluent, and even more like a native English speaker. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 powerful apps that will help you to speak English with confidence, people around the world, and of course, to build overall your confidence. If you haven't watched the video, I've done a video a few days ago, and it was about 5 important apps that as well you can use to practice your fluency and to practice your speaking skills as well with non-native English speakers or even native speakers around the world. So that will help you to build your confidence as well. That you'll find the link in the description below. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you a question. How many hours have you spent learning English, watching videos, studying grammar, even memorizing vocabulary, but is still nervous when you want to speak? It's a quite fundamental area that nobody tells you about. That because speaking is a skill base. Like any skill in life, you only improve by actually doing it, not watching, not reading, not speaking. The question is, who do you speak with? That's exactly what these apps solve the problem. I believe that this is one of the most important apps that will help you definitely to be able to speak English with confidence. Build your confidence over time. The app number 10, okay, the app number 10 is, of course, is private and private speaking and is completely for free and is ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is completely for free, you can have a conversation with ChatGPT AI and ask different questions, build your confidence over time. Because ChatGPT is completely different, you don't speak to a person, you speak to an AI.
Hey, great to have you here. What's on your mind today? Absolutely. I think it's a fantastic idea. They can practice conversations, ask for feedback on their speaking or writing, and even get explanations of tricky grammar points. If you'd like, I can help set them up or give some ideas on how to make the most of it. Yeah, definitely. And one of the great things is they can do it at their own pace. No pressure, just casual conversations. If they ever feel stuck, I can prompt them with questions, or we can work on pronunciation or fluency drills. Just let me know how you'd like to guide them.
But here's why it works. No pressure, no embarrassment, and of course, just unlimited practice with feedback, instant feedback. This is perfect for daily speaking habit to actually be able to speak with confidence and be able to improve your speaking overall. App number 9 is Telegram. Okay, Telegram voice chat communities. Telegram has many speaking groups and you can actually join voice chats, okay, practice daily, practice with any person, okay, around the world. Participate in challenges. This is quite simple and is very, very accessible at the same time that you can access in your phone as well. It's quite simple to use and is very important app that a lot of people, they don't know how to actually use it. App number 8, Meetup. Well, Meetup is very rare and a lot of people don't know it. The real speaking event. Meetup helps you find a speaking event. You can join live online conversations, meet new people, practice any structure sessions. Great if you want to organize speaking practice with friends, other people that you know, and you just want to have a conversation with those people. Okay, it's quite important as well. Number 7 is Discord. Okay, a Discord as well is quite rare and a lot of people don't know about it. Real-time speaking communities. Discord is extremely powerful if you actually use it correctly. There are services where people speak English for 24/7 and you can join voice channels, talk anytime, practice with groups, have a conversation. And this is one of the most realistic speaking environments online that I've ever came across. I do practice French, and I believe it's one of the most powerful platforms that you'll be able to practice your speaking skills and build your confidence. Okay, up number 6 is of course Hilokal. Hilokal is a group speaking rooms. Hilokal lets you join live group conversations instead of one person. When you speak to one person, instead of one person, you can speak with many people. This helps you to listen in difficult accents, different accents as well. Join discussions, talk to people out there, and of course build your confidence at the same time. So speaking more natural environment, because it's quite important as well to have that environment and to be able to speak with more confidence. It's fundamental, particularly if you're a beginner and you want to level up your speaking skills. Number 5 is Cambly. Okay, Cambly is a great website for tutors and even for free as well, to speak with tutors for free. I mean, it's definitely for free, and speak with the native speakers at the same time. Free trials. Okay, Cambly connects you with the native English tutors, even those who you don't even met before, and those are mostly paid. You can still use it for free. Free trials, short sessions, occasional practice, because this helps you to exposure to a native pronunciation, right? It's quite fundamental, and it's quite important that you aware of these apps, because it's quite important as well. Well, and app number 4, which I did video about as well, which you'll find the link in the description below, is Lingbe. Lingbe is a speaking practice sessions as well. Speak instantly with strangers around the world. Lingbe is a perfect if you are afraid to be speaking and you don't have confidence. Why? Because it forces you to speak. You press a button. So you press a button and then you are connected to a real person instantly. Randomly, a person, a native speaker, no native speaker, joining you to have a conversation. That builds confidence. So build confidence quite faster. And think fast as well in English. Overcome fear and build that confidence. It's quite important that you have those skills to be able to speak with more confidence. So now the third app, which is app number 3, I did video about as well, is Speaky. Instant global practice as well. While Speaky is simple and fast, you don't need to overthink. Just log in, connect it to someone online, and a request, start chatting, you start speaking, because it's the best for quick, casual practice without pressure. That is quite important. And the app number 2, which as well I did video about it, is Tandem. Tandem find a series speaking partners. Tandem is more focused on building real connections. Build real connections, you need Tandem, right? Choose partners based on your interests, based on their interests. Do voice or video calls, practice regularly with the same person. This is the ideal if you want a constantly speaking partner, not just random chats. Okay? Sometimes make kind of exchange languages. Let's say, for example, you're a native speaker in Arabic, for example, you want to teach them how to learn Arabic, and probably they would teach you how to learn, for example, English, French, or even Spanish. So those are definitely one of the best apps that I've ever come across. The app number 1 is of course HelloTalk. HelloTalk, I also done a video about it, which you will find the link in the description below. You can learn through the conversations, real conversation, because HelloTalk is one of the best apps if you want to structure conversation and even real. Here is how it works. You connect with native speakers who you want to learn your language, like basically exchange languages. What makes it powerful? You can send voice messages and people can correct your sentences directly, and you learn while speaking at the same time. This is a great if you are a beginner, intermediate, moving to advanced as well, who needs guidance while practicing. It's quite important that you have a clue about these apps, and of course as well, it's quite important if you about to start learning any sort of language and you don't know where to start you speaking practice. Okay, so now these are actually one of those apps, and I believe that if you don't know where to get started, this is where to get started. Okay, and here's the truth: you don't actually need more grammar. You need more vocabulary. You don't actually need more vocabulary as well. You need more speaking. And now you have 10 powerful apps that you will be able to practice your speaking with a native, non-native speaker as well. And yeah, all you need to do is actually to download all of them. Perhaps you don't want to download all of them. You just favorite one of these apps and of course have a conversation with people, even if 10 minutes. That is, consistency is the key. Is the most important than perfection. Speak every day and you will see your English, whether that's your speaking, whatever language you're learning, and your confidence will grow naturally. So yeah, I mean, these are 10 apps. Let me know what's your favorite app in the comment section below, and I'll put the link as well in the show notes so that you can also be able to download it in your phone, whether that's in your PC or in your desktop as well. So yeah, I mean, that's all about it. And if you like what you saw today, enjoyed today's video, let me know in the comment section below. What do you recommend for the next videos? And I'll be happy to make a video about it. Take care.